Christine with ReveMoto. Today we're going to be installing, because we don't have to remove it, it's already gone, the 2014 Honda Civic Coupe. So that's 2 doors. And yeah, we're pretty much going to be removing or just installing this lower valance and the tail reflectors. And then we're going to also be changing out this bracket right here because it's broken, but the other side's good. So, all right, let's get started. Okay. All right. So let's figure out the bottom. Bear with me. This is going to be my second install. Okay. This is right. Okay. So it's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. These ends here, you're going to make them go on the outside, but this part is what we're going to snap into these here. So we'll just line them up. Snap it in. Okay, so that part does not go on the outside. It goes on the inside. You just have to push it down, make sure it clips in. You should hear it click. Maybe not for all of them. Go. So next we're going to do the reflectors. All right, so an easy way to know which way it goes is there's actually like letters and numbers on here. Just make sure it's right side up. So we'll put this. So this is going to clip in. There's a plastic piece to make sure it doesn't fall out, but also there's this end. We're going to make sure to slide this end in first. So see that there? That means it's in. And then we just have to pop this in. And you'll hear that snap. And then we just gotta screw it in, make sure it stays secure. Okay, we have to get a different screwdriver. This one's kind of small for that. Same thing over here. Remember the little tab? And then snap it in. Again, we're going to screw it in to secure it. I'm going to get the correct screwdriver. So this one is obviously too small. Yeah, those are right. Okay, we're good. So now we're gonna just attach it to the car. Oh, actually no. We're gonna change out the brackets because they broke. That's it. stuck earlier. There are these things right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use a flathead to push it in. Try to, I mean, if you break it, it's fine, it's already broken. So, I already broke it, but. Okay. Then we're just gonna pretty much, these squares line up, make sure that they snap into place. And that's it. And then we're gonna screw the screws that we pulled out earlier. And then we're ready to go. So we're gonna put this foam piece between the bumper and the bumper reinforcement. It pretty much just lays on top. It does slide around though, so if you want to make it easier, you could probably put like 3M tape and stick it on. So we're gonna pop the trunk. I think it makes it a little bit easier. And to prevent this thing from falling down, I'm gonna tape it. So feel free to do what's easy for you at home. They work out. Okay. It's easier to start with one side first. So kind of line it up. Sometimes it helps to do this with a friend. Okay. Can you hold that piece? So pretty much what you're trying to do is just line up the edges. Make sure that it's above the bracket so you can snap it in. And you may have to pull it, see how it's not hitting right there? So you really just have to pull it over. But I think sometimes it's easier to snap one side. Well, actually we'll fit it first and then we'll snap it in. You can see that it's still dented here. So this is not going to snap in. So we have that side. Pretty much we're going to go on this side now. And we're just going to snap everything. Same thing. Once, if you have it fitted properly, it's easy to just snap in place. As you can see, this side is more flush. So the other side was probably just good. So this is what you're gonna need. There's 2 screws. One that goes on each side, pretty much is right here, where the trunk hits. And then there's gonna be 4 clips that go underneath. It's really sad. It's all we have to work with today. I guess I'm that strong. There's not much more tightening to do. Okay. Okay, so there's 4, mainly in the middle. These screws, we're just gonna, pretty much you just push it up and it'll snap in place. So there's gonna be 2 screws on each side. This is what this little one looks like. This is a little bent, but we're gonna try to make it work. If you have a power tool, feel free to use it. This bigger screw, it's kind of rounded at the edges, goes at the top. customer is missing a screw right here, but we have the top one like earlier. And pretty much that's it. Just need a car wash and we're ready to go. Okay guys, so that was a 2014 Honda Civic Coupe 2-door rear bumper install. If you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, hit the bell button so you can subscribe to our channel. Otherwise, we'd love to hear any comments, what we did good, what we can improve on, or what else you'd like to see. Alright, thanks for watching.